Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. On the third position we've got the date and time, so this is the option we're looking for. Let's enter it, and here we've got three different sections connected with the date and time, but as you can see we cannot change them manually as those options are inactive. So first of all we have to turn off both of those switchers just by tapping on them. And thanks to this we can turn off the automatic date, time and time zone, and now we can simply change it manually. So let me begin with the date. After tapping on it we can change the date just by swiping and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time, just by swiping change and hours and minutes. You can change it also from AM to PM and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, this one, Western Sahara, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. What's more, here we've got the time format, and again we cannot customize it manually. So first of all, let's turn off this option to use local default, and now we can decide. Currently we are using 12-hour format, and after tapping on the switcher we are going to use 24-hour format, and again it will be immediately applied to the status bar also. So basically this is the whole operation of setting the date and time manually, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on those switchers here. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.